So I'm gonna give you guys a dorm tour as promised. So I'm gonna head outside and then I'm gonna bring you in and I'll show you guys around. Okay, so when you first come in, we have our living room. Right here, we just have our TV. My roommate brought her Xbox, so she hooked that up and stuff. I have my Fire Stick, which is that remote right there. We also have Apple TV. And then, so there's our door. Gotta be careful because there's my school thing around the people or whatever. And then over here, we just have living room. We have 2 windows, as you can see. I have them open for light. It gets really dark. So we have this chair, and then we have this couch, and we have this table, which sometimes we pull out and put it like right here for Zooms for class or whatever. But yeah, so like I said, it gets super dark in here because we don't have like lights on our ceiling. So yeah, that's just my Amazon box. I gotta go recycle. And then over here we have our kitchen. We have like a little island slash breakfast bar table thing right here. I was sitting there earlier, forgot to put that in. Trash that I have to take out as well since I'm the only one in the dorm right now. Clorox wipes, a little clothespins and some napkins. And then we have our kitchen. So we have a Keurig. I brought an electric kettle. This is where we dry some stuff. We have a dishwasher. We have an oven as well, and a 4-thing stovetop. Down under here is where we keep a lot of our kitchen stuff. We're still working on stuff, but this is where we keep our silverware. It's too big to fit in this drawer here, so we don't actually use it. We have a toaster back here. This is a water filter, but it broke and it was leaking, so we took it out and it's just sitting here now. Above the stove, we have a microwave. Obviously, you know how this works. Over here, put spices and stuff, and then Ziploc bags. And then up here, we have like parchment paper, cling wrap, foil, and this brown sugar. Over here, on top of the microwave, just have some napkins. I don't think anything on the side. Nope. Okay. And then we come over here to the corner by the sink. And I did this today. I took this out of like our little pantry thing or whatever and put it by the stove. So just some olive oil, some non-stick spray, our knife set, an air fryer, a magic bullet, and a cup like with the straws in there. I don't actually use it, it's my roommate's. And here we have our glasses and then our plastic cups. And that's stuff for the magic bullet up there. And this one also, we have more cups and tumblers and stuff. These are all my roommates' mine. I'll show you where they are. But in here we just have our colanders, and then we have a mixing bowl right there. And then, so here's our sink, just some soap on that side, And under here, just got some more soap and stuff, cleaning supplies and all that kind of fun stuff. And right here, again, like I said, just Keurig, electric kettle, and all that. Right here's where we keep our plates and bowls. There will be more once I take them out of the dishwasher, but this is where we keep all of our breakables, and then our plastic ones go on the shelf. Up here is where I keep all of my cups. I just put them up there today. So I have my BT21 reusable tumblers. I have all 8 characters. I have my cookie mug. My Koya one is actually in the dishwasher right now, so I need to unload that. And then I have a Stitch one behind it, and then I have a school one back there. So that's this one. Then we have our fridge, obviously. I just went grocery shopping today, so I just stocked that. Then we have our freezer. We have to make our ice ourselves, so we put like just fill up these ice trays and crack them into there. On top, I have some glassware to like cook stuff in. I put my bread up here as well, and then some more bowls. And then up here are flour and sugar. And then I don't think there's anything on this side. Oh, more flour. Okay. And then over here we have 2 cabinets. This is where we each like keep all of our food. This is kind of like everybody can put stuff here. So this is really 2 shelves. So I just kind of have pasta sauces and then canned foods in the back. And then there's vegetable oil, some syrup. There's Crisco and muffin tins, I guess, or whatever. I have some honey back there too. And these are my roommate's bananas. I may end up having to throw away, so we'll see. And then here we each kind of have a shelf. I have the middle one. So in there I have some taco shells, some ramen. I have a brownie mix all the way back there in the corner, and then some rice. And under that rice I have a crap ton of macaroni. And then I have some Velveeta, some spaghetti noodles, oatmeal, saltines, more pasta noodles, and then some angel hair pasta. Oh, I also have a potato mix and pancake mix in there. So yeah, so that's the kitchen. Over here on this side, this is one of my roommates' room, and then this is an extra room. Actually, it was originally locked, and we asked for the key and they wouldn't give it to us, so we unlocked it ourselves. But yeah, that's just the room. That's everything that our room gets. So yeah, that was originally locked. This is my roommate's bathroom, and this is her room. I'm not gonna go in, but hello, that's her room. And then over here on this side is my other roommate's room, my room, and then my bathroom, which I also showed you when we moved in, but I'm gonna show you again anyways. So in here we have a mirror. Hi. We have this medicine cabinet as well. Just open it, there's stuff in there usually, sometimes. But like I said, I'm here by myself, so my roommates aren't here right now. We have our sink. That's where she usually keeps her stuff. I have this out right now because, you know, hair. I just have my toothpaste, toothbrush, eyebrow razor, and then some face lotion in my contacts case, and then soap, of course. My face towel that's just thrown about. Under here I have my side, so just like this is all hair stuff, and then female stuff, and then lotion and another shampoo conditioner, and then that's her side. But yeah, so my side, her side. And then we just have our shower curtain and whatever, all that fun stuff. We have a bath mat. That's hers over there. So yeah, that's our bathroom. Probably way more in depth than you wanted, but you know, I work with what you got. So yeah, that's my bathroom. Okay, now for my room. Since this is the first thing you see when you walk in, I'll start with this. First of all, hello. I have a mirror right here next to my desk. I wasn't sure if I was gonna put this, but you know, it's worked so far. So I'm gonna leave this here, and it's already with the command strips, so ta-da. Okay, so my desk. I have a trash can next to it that's full that I also need to take out. So today might just be a trash day. I have a book for my Black Studies class, and then my iPad underneath it. I have a Dymo, but it's not the right one, so I have to get another one, but I have that there. I have my Koya phone stand right next to my monitor stand, or computer stand, whatever you want to call it, because I have that one on that side. I keep my computer here, and then I have my keyboard, obviously. And then on this side, these are just my keys. So I have my university card in here too. And that's just all my keychains and stuff, and my AirPods are in here. I have my mouse, and then under here, I also have my Koya mouse. It just depends on like what I'm doing, so which one I want to use. This one, I get like all the gestures with my computer on it, so it just depends. And then right here, I have a little like card wallet. It's super cute. I got my best friend one to match, because we like match everything. Like hers is Shooky and then mine's Koya, so that's cute as fuck. And then just right here I keep washi tape around this part because it fits. And then I have a desk lamp. Hello, super bright. And it wirelessly charges my phone if I were to put it right there. So I have that. And everything's plugged into a little storm surge thing. And then right next to my desk, I have my Young Forever poster because I didn't want to scream that like, oh my god, I'm a K-pop fan. So I didn't want to do that. And these are like the most low-key posters that like aren't 7 men. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. And then over here, I have this little 9-cube organizer, which if you watched my move-in vlog, like you kind of saw me struggle to put that together. But yeah, so I just have these little like box thingies in there. Ignore like these 2 cubbies because I was just shoving stuff away so like my room was clean. Down here in this bottom one, I just have like all my pen pal stuff and shop like packing stuff. Right here I have all the albums that I've gotten while I'm at school. So my 3 ateez albums, I have Fantasia right there. I also have Beckham's Delight, but it's too big to go down there. And then I have my copy of the notes that I was reading on the way here, and then the Korean ones that come in the albums too, because I figured I would try to learn some Korean while I'm here at school, but we'll see. This is just like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, so that's that. Over here I have all of my like stationery stuff. So yeah, anything that like I'm gonna send to a pen pal is in here. Cute stationery, sticky notes, my cute pencil pouches. One of them is actually in my backpack, so that's fun. My BTS Uno's in here. But yeah, vitamins, deodorant, face spray, laundry stuff. I have lotion, perfume back there, makeup remover, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. Over here in the top left side, I have all my washi tape, stickers, more stickers, and these are where I keep my shop stickers too that I sell on my Etsy. Over here I have my bullet journal, my K-pop journal, my other K-pop journal, and then 2 sketchbooks back here. This is my photo card holder thing that aren't official. These are my non-official photo cards. And then this is a grab bag that I got from my friend. If she's still selling them, I will definitely link that tweet below, but I'll have to check with her first. And then just in here I have all of my snacks and stuff that I didn't keep in the pantry. But yeah. And then on top I just have a fan because sometimes it gets hot, so I turn that on. It's angled towards my bed. Again, like I said, Backham's Delight right here. Then I have my James X Morphe eyeshadow palette right there. And I have my Euphoria and Mono metal straws. I have my little Koya standing doll thing, standing figure. And then my Google Home, which is a turd and refuses to like set up. And it was set up for a while and now it's not anymore, so now I'm heated. Okay, and then in these like little acrylic things, I just have my generic big pens, my Meyer liners, Tombow pens, and then some pencils. So that's that little area. Oh, and that's my backpack for school. Here. It's Koya. Isn't it cute? It's like the same one as my Chimmy one, but Koya. Swinging over. Here's my bed. So, yeah, it's right there. And then above my bed, I have my mono prints, and I will link the artist below because I am obsessed with these. She also makes these into pens, but they're kind of expensive. It's like $130 for like all 8 of them. So I just got the prints because it was like $35 themselves. And then I just have my whiteboard, which is above my light switch. I don't want to talk about what's written on it. Here I have my dresser. I put it next to my desk, not my desk, my bed, because it's so high. Here I just have my glasses, sunglasses, and then tissues, and this is like my makeup set. Hello, I have my mirror right there too. I have Cookie right here, my little chains, my Tata scrunchies. I keep my Kindle by my bed because sometimes I read before I go to sleep. And then this is just all my like makeup stuff, brushes and all that. So yeah, that's what's right next to my bed. And then under my bed, let me swing under here really quick. So I have two of these, and they're just on either side of my mini refrigerator, which if I open is low-key kind of empty, but also like not really. I have my BTS coffee in here. I have my Bang water. I have some Gatorade, some Powerade, Arizona tea, all that kind of fun stuff. In here I just keep my sketchbooks and then my paper cutter. I have my photo card binder in here and some photo paper, and then all my like cute little BT21 spirals and stuff are in here, so that's in there. And down here I just have like my glassware, some plastic Tupperware, and over here I just have towels, some more towels and more plastic Tupperware, and then there's just trash in there. So yeah, that's under my bed. Now my closet. I'll start at the top. Art stuff, toolkit, cereal, laundry basket with a bunch of plastic bags in it, my chimney backpack, and more towels stacked up on the side, and then just a Lion Friends box. Right here I have my shoe hanger, and then down there I also have more shoes, my black leather mini backpack that has ateez on it, and then this one is just my everyday bag. I have my laundry hamper right there. Those are the shoes that I'm wearing today, you know, when I don't have my slippers on. I just have a cinch bag right there and like a bag with snacks behind it. This is supposed to be a nightstand, but I have clothes in it anyways. The top is all like my athletic stuff. The bottom's just pants and jean shorts. Over here I just have my comfy, this has all my CDs and stuff, and then this has like just miscellaneous stuff, and my Beats. My Beats are back there. And then obviously my clothes. So yeah, that's my room. Oh, did I mention that I put that poster next to my bed? I don't know if it's obvious or not, but the poster's next to my bed. It's the Young Forever one. The same album as this one, but just the day version poster. So I have both of those. But yeah, that just about wraps it up for the dorm tour. You know, hope you liked it. I will see you guys in the next video, depending on when I put this up. I don't know what day yet, but yeah, so that's it. Peace out. Thanks for watching.